Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? My name is Amanda. I'm an intuitive tarot reader here on YouTube and TikTok. I'm also a certified soul realignment and Reiki practitioner. If you guys are interested in setting up a session with me, booking a session, or just getting a free consultation where you talk to me so we can see exactly what it is that I can do for you, my website will be at the bottom of your screen. So without any further ado, we're going to get right on into your reading. I'm excited, y'all. What's going on for my Pisces? Spirit, please tell me what's going on with my Pisces, Sun, Moon, and or Rising. Ooh, y'all's cards fell everywhere. Okay, so first of all, we have the Ten of Cups, okay, which is telling me that your focus right now is on home and family. We have the Six of Swords in reverse. That means that we're slow to walk away from something that is not serving our highest and greatest good, right? Six of Cups in reverse. Kind of looking at things, focusing more on the negative things happening in our life. Then we have the Nine of Swords in reverse, which is talking about, you could be dealing with insomnia, like you go in and out of stages of where you're sleeping really good and then nights you just cannot sleep at all, or maybe you're just like sleeping too much, or all of the above. The Fool. Right now, do not take any unnecessary risks, okay, Pisces? Right now is not the time. And this is actually the third time the Fool in reverse has come out for my clients, especially Pisces, okay? Do not take any don't make any impulsive decisions when it comes to finances, big purchases. Don't do that right now. Stress is definitely keeping you up at night. We're definitely just worrying too much. Worrying doesn't change anything, right, Pisces? We know that. We're better than this, Pisces. I'm a Pisces, from fellow Pisces to other fellow Pisces. We know better, but we're up in our mind too much, or we let our emotions get the best of us. So you need to ground right now. And where I'm at, it's cold, so it's hard to ground your energy because you're supposed to ground your energy outside. There's other ways to do it, but the best way is to go outside. It's cold, but you can still put your feet barefoot on the ground even though it's cold. Just bundle up. I don't ground as much as I normally do because normally I get out there every single day. I let the sunshine hit me and my bare feet are on the ground. That's definitely what you need. So if you are able, do it as much as possible. It's going to help get you through whatever this right here is, because emotions right here, they're heavy. They feel very heavy. And we're all going through different things. Remember, this is a general reading, okay? So I got all these energies coming in from all over. King of Wands. So there is a male or masculine energy. It doesn't necessarily have to be male. It can be a masculine energy because we all have masculine and feminine energy within us. So this is somebody with a masculine energy that you need to let go of, and you are not letting go of them. Or it's just somebody that's a negative influence on you, okay? It doesn't have to be intimate relationship, although it could just be a friend. It could even be a family member, you know what I'm saying? Or somebody in the workplace. This person is just not good for you and you're slow to walk away from it. You haven't fully released or let go of this person. Oh, so look, Pisces, the end result for you is victory, okay? Because that came flying out. You will have success. You will be victorious. You will come out on top when all is said and done. Taking action right now is something that we do not want to do because you are in a cycle of rest and rejuvenation right now. In life, we go through cycles and phases. You are in a rest and rejuvenate period. Archangel Metatron is the angel that's with you now. He rules the third eye, also sacred geometry. His energy reminds me of plant medicine. I do feel like his energy, along with other beautiful spiritual energies, are in plant medicine. So if you were thinking about doing something along the lines of shrooms or ayahuasca, definitely dive further into that. You could be seeing sacred geometry patterns in your experience. You could be seeing like orbs and stuff like that, or in your dreams. If you do see that, know that's Archangel Michael coming through, saying that he wants to work with you, and he's showing up as your guide at this time. For some of you, this has always been your angel, and if that's the case, you would know, because Archangel Metatron energy is very powerful. So Yes, yes, yes. Also, you know, you're getting DNA upgrades. You're getting hit with inner knowing, inner seeing, inner knowing, inner seeing, the third eye, being able to see the light and the darkness, right? That's a gift of yours, Pisces. Seventh chakra, Archangel Uriel rules the crown chakra, the connection that goes straight to source. Pisces, these I feel like, and the heart chakra are the three chakras that kind of like rule the Pisces. Of course, this will be different for everyone, and there's always exceptions. I feel like your crown chakra is really sensitive right now. So for a lot of you, you could be getting headaches. You could be getting like pressure headaches here. Herbal stuff, okay, herbal teas, herbal remedies would really benefit you right now. Elderberry, they're telling me elderberry, also blueberries for you guys. I know the blueberry is very specific for Pisces. Trust me, I know, okay, because I'm a Pisces. I've done the research. I would know. What is it? Like any kind of like dark berry would benefit right now, would help with like the minerals that you need, minerals that are in those foods. And I'm also getting like the vitamin D for you guys too, like really important. Like, yes, supplements can be good. It's a secondary, but like first and foremost, if you can, you always want to get it straight from the source. Like the sunlight is really needed for a lot of you guys right now. It will help kind of integrate these transmissions, these downloads, these DNA upgrades that you are getting through the crown and through the third eye. Okay. They're just showing me like something going on with the head area, something going on, and it feels like lots of pressure and there's some pain there as well. Okay. Third chakra, guys, solar plexus, Archangel Chamuel. So look, not only, well, you got all these archangels coming out, and this is crazy. So wear the color blue, eat dark, like purpley red fruits, okay, and wear the color purple. Eat bananas. You got limes. Ginger is also good for the solar plexus, helping you with your confidence. You left a bit apart, a good chunk of your confidence somewhere else. It's just like they're showing me it is an outer space, I guess you could say, because it ain't with you. It's with other people. You left parts of yourself, soul aspects of yourself with other people, places, situations, things, and you need to do a soul retrieval, call back your energy. So I bring back my energy, I bring back my light. I bring back my energy, I bring back my light. I bring back my energy, I bring back my light. And you say that 3 times, hold your hand over your heart as often as needed, as needed, as needed, okay? I do it a few times a day. I would do it when you first wake up, midday, and then right before you go to bed. That's going to be very beneficial for you. Because also, if you know someone in your town or close to you that can do a Reiki session for you, that's also going to be very beneficial for you. Someone doing some energy work on you. And depending on who you get, of course, I can do that. In person is better, but you can do distant as well. You know, it just depends on who, you know, just ask around and see if there's somebody that knows somebody that personally went to them, right? Yeah, financial constraints, worrying about money. Okay. I see money is flighty. It's going out faster than it's coming in. Hold tight, Pisces. Things are going to be a little slow for the rest of the year. And they showed me February. They gave me the number 2 for February. Things will start to pick up for you. You might even get a new job or an opportunity for a new job, something along the lines of that in the month of February for you, Pisces. The waiting game. Yeah, for you, it's just chilling, relaxing, healing, resting, rejuvenating, restoring, replenishing, all the R's. That's what you need to do, okay? Lay low, self-care, self-love, Pisces. Think about the things that make you smile, that make you laugh, that make you feel better than what it is that you're feeling right now. Like I said, we're focusing our mind, our energy too much on the negative aspects of things. And it doesn't mean that the positive things go away. They're still there. See how, you know, that works? It's a perception thing. You just have to shift. Okay, that's how much power you have. That's how much control that you have. You're noticing like pains in your body. You really need to listen to your body, okay? Moving your body, some sort of exercise, yoga, swimming. Pisces, you know what the water does to the Pisces, right? It's like instant healing. Okay, so water is your best friend, Pisces. Go take a bath. Use Epsom salt, apple cider vinegar, and baking soda. I need you to mix them 3 together.